if you leave an inkjet cartridge sitting in your printer without using it for some time, it can clog. So let's take a look at this printer. See, the clog occurs when the ink on the printhead dries up and won't allow any ink to flow or pass through. In this series of videos, we will show you different methods to dissolve the dried ink on the printhead nozzles. These methods work only on cartridges with the head built into the cartridge, such as HP, Lexmark, and some Dell and Canon ink cartridges. However, these methods do not work with Epson, Brother, and Canon ink cartridges because there is no printhead located on the cartridge. So for this first method, we'll need a damp cloth, soft tissues, your dried up ink cartridge, and a vacuum cleaner. First, we want to cover the printhead with a damp cloth just to get it moist. Turn on the vacuum now and apply pressure to the printhead nozzle. Only for a few seconds at a time, apply pressure to get the ink flowing again through the cartridge. Repeat this process until all the ink flows again through the printhead. Using a soft tissue, wipe off any excess ink left on the printhead. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on any of the social media below.